Good morning, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. She messed up my lipstick. There's something that I have been wanting to do for quite a while now. I am a little bit nervous to do it. A lot of you guys know that the last couple years, and especially the last like 6 months, I've really been working as hard as I can to be as physically and mentally healthy as possible. So I have never met my dad. I had a good upbringing anyway. I didn't really like know what I was missing, I guess, but now that I am a parent myself, I do really wonder what it would be like. I wonder, you know, if there are certain things about myself that I could learn from my dad I've never met. So yeah, I actually kind of want to search for him, I guess, and maybe meet him even. But my mom was like, well, I don't really know much about like how to look, but what you could do is go to the courthouse where I filed all your records. Okay guys, update. I made it. I don't even know if I'm at the right building. My GPS brought me somewhere that was like an old folks home and not the courthouse. So now I'm at the Iron County Human Services building. I'm hoping this is the right one. I'm gonna go in and find out. So that was the right building, but today is President's Day. Oh my god. They're not open. Maybe it just wasn't meant to happen today. Good morning, guys. Okay, today I'm doing what I like to call robe yoga. I watch a lot of yoga by Adriene, and she always says put on something comfy and hop on your mat. I take that very seriously. If you guys ever feel stressed or anxious or like even just want to find a new workout routine because you don't like working out, or like are trying to lose weight but hate working out, and like, so what are you gonna do? Yeah, working out that you like. I used to absolutely hate working out till I found yoga by Adriene. I don't feel like I'm forcing myself to do it every day. Like, it makes me happy to do it, and it makes me feel good. It makes me look good too. So anyways, if you guys are all interested in anything that helps with stress, anxiety, any type of pain in the body, I will know, anything like that, or just want to get a decent workout without like having to like force yourself to like run and, you know, do all these things that are like pushing your body and like almost painful, and like forcing yourself to do it, like, oh, like you need to chill. I'm just saying. It's super rare that people want to better themselves and actually take action towards that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a little sesh.
Something's gotta come back. Send it all, I give it all back to understand on the other side. It's so fucked up.
Okay, yoga's over for the day. So Mondays is when I get kind of back from his dad, so I'm probably gonna just spend the day with him today. I don't know what we're up to, but keep you guys updated. All right, Willow, sit. Good girl. You shake paw? Shake paw. Good girl! Willow, down. Good girl! Alright guys, so we are stuck in the house because it's -27 today. So we are going to make our own little bar. Kind of just got a tattoo. And we're using cashews in the crust with coconut flour. And then we're going to use like sweetened condensed milk and Quaker oats, craisins, and chocolate chips. It smells and looks super bomb. Can't wait to try it, but it's super hot. Okay, you guys, I have to wash all of these freaking brushes. Now, none of these brushes are client brushes. These are all just mine. And these aren't even the ones that I've been using, like, on the daily. Good morning, guys. I'm filming with my phone because I'm totally late for this appointment, but I'm finally going to get my hair red, get my extensions redone. So here we are.
My fate is sealed with no card.
We're experimenting.
How long will it
So we have 2 shades of red right here. We're gonna keep these colors, and then we're dyeing these ones even darker red. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday. I'm gonna do my little brother's girlfriend's makeup for a photo shoot. I can't do my own makeup this morning because I have a facial, which you can see I really, really need. There's spots everywhere. It's so bad. This is the worst my skin has ever been. So I'm gonna go get a facial. Hopefully it's gonna help and she can give me some tips on how to get rid of all these little spots.
So I'm actually making this go down below the surface of the skin, and I'm also giving you just a deeper exfoliation. Cool. And we're gonna help loosen all this stuff up so we can do extractions of blackhead.
Right? Well, after a month, they held him back. They held him, and he's like, "What the hell?"
Yeah.
Well, he's not a citizen, so they handed his case over to the INS. They're trying to deport his ass. And he's like, what the hell? And like, repeat offender, you know?
Right.
And then they're not tolerated, man. Like, if you can, like, people who continue to commit crimes in the U.S.
Yeah.
and you're not a citizen, they're gonna try their best to send you back.
Yeah. Damn, where's my inhaler? Where would I put it? Where is it? Oh my god. I never opened my eyes last time. I had no idea what this thing looked like.
It's like a little vibrating spatula. It's almost like I'm shaving it, huh?